Konnichiwa, bonjour, shemai, hello. Welcome to day 3, E flat major. It's the second most common band key, and let's get to it. With E flat major, we're going to go to the left of center, 0, 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flats, starting on E flat. This card and this card will make the E flat major scale. Let's get our order of flats today. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Bead, greatest common factor, gum candy fruit, good chicken fingers, the word bead, and gum candy fruit. This is the key of E flat major concert, E flat major. So we're going to start on E. Okay, how many flats? You take the last flat, go back 1 letter, and it gives you the name of the key. So you need 3 flats. Okay, we need to go a major second up, E to F. Some kind of F, and it's F natural. So we go up the alphabet, and how many flats? So this one's at the end. Basically, you go back 1 letter from B, and whoosh, you get to F. So it's 1 flat, B flat. The horn is a perfect fifth above E flat, E, F, G, A, B. It's a type of B. It is B flat. All right, and how many flats does B flat have? You always go back 1 letter from the last flat, B flat, E flat. And the last one is either a perfect fifth above the F or a major second above the B flat, B, C, some type of C. It is C natural. C is the only key that has no sharps, no flats. C sharp major has all the sharps, and C flat major has all the flats. The concert scale is E flat major. The B flat instruments play F major. The F horn plays B flat major, and the E flat instruments, the saxophones, altos, and bari, play C major. Thanks, Dioch, for watching E flat major concert video. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up or the like button or the accent button, as the boys say. Look for videos each week because I'm uploading parts of the scales and other things as well. So have a great day. Hoyo!